China recently revealed a new AI drone swarm system called Atlas, and the demonstration raised serious questions about the future of warfare. China released footage showing the first full demonstration of the Atlas drone swarm operation system. The system is designed for the People's Liberation Army and focuses on coordinated drone warfare. The demonstration showed drones launching, searching for targets, sharing information, and carrying out simulated attacks. Military observers paid close attention because the system appeared to complete the entire combat process from detection to strike. Atlas is part of a larger shift in military technology. Many countries are investing in autonomous systems and artificial intelligence for battlefield use. Drone swarms are a major focus because they allow many small machines to work together like a team. Each drone acts as a small unit, yet the group behaves like one organized system. The Chinese demonstration showed how a swarm can be deployed quickly. Reports say a launch truck can carry dozens of drones. The system releases drones one after another in rapid sequence. Within a few minutes, a large group of drones can be airborne and ready to perform different roles. Some drones gather information, while others track targets, and others carry strike payloads. The main goal of a swarm system is coordination. A single drone has limited power and a limited range. A swarm changes the situation because many drones share information. One drone can detect a target and pass the information to others. Another drone can confirm the location. A strike drone can then move into position. This teamwork allows the system to react quickly. China often describes this system as part of a kill web. The idea connects many military tools through artificial intelligence and communication networks. Sensors, drones, command systems, and weapons all share data. The system moves from detection to decision and then to action with minimal delay. The concept expands on an older military idea known as the kill chain. The kill chain describes the steps required to eliminate a target. A force first finds the target, then identifies it, tracks it, decides to strike, and finally attacks it. A kill web connects these steps across many platforms so that each system supports the others. Artificial intelligence plays a major role in this process. AI software analyzes sensor data and identifies objects quickly. The software can classify vehicles, buildings, or equipment and determine whether a target meets mission requirements. This allows the system to react faster than traditional command structures. Drone swarms rely on algorithms inspired by nature. Engineers studied the behavior of birds, fish, and insects to design swarm coordination. Each unit follows simple rules, yet the group moves with surprising organization. A drone adjusts its position according to nearby drones and mission goals. The entire formation shifts as conditions change. One advantage of this approach is resilience. If one drone fails, the rest of the swarm continues the mission. Another drone can take over the missing role. The system adapts without stopping the operation. This flexibility makes swarms difficult to defeat with traditional tactics. The Atlas system also shows how autonomous drones can divide tasks. Some drones operate as scouts and fly ahead to gather information. Others remain behind to relay communications. Strike drones stay ready to engage targets once the system confirms their location. This division of labor helps the swarm operate efficiently. China is not the only country working on swarm technology. The United States has conducted several experiments with cooperative drones. The US military has tested aircraft that launch dozens of small drones in flight. These drones spread out and perform reconnaissance while sharing information with command systems. Russia and Ukraine also use drones heavily in modern combat. The conflict in Ukraine showed how small unmanned aircraft can change the battlefield. Both sides deploy large numbers of drones for surveillance and attack missions. The conflict demonstrated how low-cost drones can threaten expensive equipment. Drone swarms push this idea further. A single drone is useful for observation or a small strike. Hundreds of drones create a much larger challenge. Air defense systems struggle to intercept large numbers of small targets. Each interceptor missile costs more than the drone it destroys. Cost is one of the strongest advantages of swarm systems. A military can produce many small drones at relatively low cost. Losing a few units does not significantly reduce capability. This makes swarm tactics attractive for modern armies that want to maintain pressure on enemy defenses. Another important feature is the speed of deployment. Traditional aircraft require preparation and support crews. Drone swarms can launch from mobile platforms or small bases. A launch truck can deploy drones within minutes. This allows forces to respond quickly to new threats or opportunities. The Atlas demonstration also highlighted communication networks within the swarm. Each drone sends data to the others and to the control system. The network forms a shared awareness of the battlefield. Commanders can see the situation from many angles and adjust plans in real time. Electronic warfare presents a challenge for drone systems. Jamming signals can disrupt communication between units. Engineers design swarm systems to reduce this risk. Some drones can continue operating with partial autonomy if communication is interrupted. The swarm may still complete parts of its mission, even under interference. Another aspect of swarm development involves artificial intelligence decision support. Human operators still supervise operations, yet AI helps analyze large volumes of data. This allows commanders to make faster decisions. Military planners view this as a major advantage in modern conflict. The Atlas system fits into China's broader investment in autonomous technology. The country has developed unmanned ground vehicles, robotic dogs, and autonomous naval drones. Each platform supports a larger network of sensors and weapons. The goal is a connected battlefield where information moves instantly. Chinese researchers also study how drones operate in complex environments. Urban areas present many obstacles for navigation and communication. AI systems must identify buildings, avoid collisions, and maintain coordination with the swarm. Engineers continue refining algorithms to handle these challenges. Swarm drones may also support surveillance missions. A group of drones can monitor a large area and track movement over time. This capability can assist reconnaissance units and provide valuable intelligence before an operation begins. Persistent observation increases awareness of enemy activity. Military analysts view swarm warfare as part of a broader technological shift. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced sensors reshape how conflicts may unfold. Commanders gain new tools for observation and precision strikes. At the same time, new risks and uncertainties appear. China's Atlas system shows how quickly these ideas move from research to demonstration. The video presentation offered a glimpse of how future operations might work. Autonomous drones cooperated with human operators and command networks. The system handled detection, targeting, and simulated strikes during the test. Some experts believe drone swarms will become common in many militaries. Technology continues to improve, while production costs decrease. Smaller components and better batteries allow drones to fly longer and carry more advanced sensors. Engineers also work on improving navigation systems. Drones must operate reliably even in areas with limited satellite signals. Alternative navigation methods help maintain accuracy during missions. These improvements strengthen the reliability of autonomous systems. Swarm technology may also influence civilian industries. Similar coordination algorithms support research in delivery drones and environmental monitoring. Scientists study how cooperative robots can perform tasks that single machines cannot complete alone. The Atlas demonstration, therefore, represents more than a military experiment. It highlights the rapid development of artificial intelligence and robotics in complex environments. Engineers, policymakers, and military leaders watch these developments closely. Future versions of swarm systems may include larger numbers of drones and more advanced sensors. Developers will continue refining communication networks and autonomy algorithms. Each improvement increases the potential impact of swarm technology. China's recent demonstration serves as a signal of the changing nature of warfare. Autonomous machines and artificial intelligence now play an increasing role in military planning and strategy. Advances in drone swarm systems like Atlas show that the future battlefield may rely heavily on coordinated machines working together under human supervision.